Today I'm going to be sharing with you an easy egg drop soup recipe using ramen. I was sick for like weeks, and while I was really sick, I wanted ramen, but I wanted more in it. Come along with me as I show you how you can make a very yummy egg drop soup.
I'm going to chop up some vegetables. I used 1/4 cup diced onion, a 1/4 cup diced celery, and 1/4 cup diced green bell peppers. This is what made the soup so good. And I'm garnishing this with some green onion. We're going to beat 2 eggs together. In a saucepan, we're going to bring 2 cups of water to a boil. When it reaches a boil, add the seasoning packet, the eggs, and the vegetables. I'm using chicken flavored ramen. Stir consistently until the eggs look done. And then we're going to simmer for 5 minutes. Add your noodles and cook for 3 to 5 minutes more, or until the noodles are tender or to your liking.
It was so good, and those green peppers like nailed it. It was like the best part of it. My kids actually enjoy ramen with egg in it. It was something that Derek learned on his church mission, where you drop an egg in, swirl it around while it's all hot, cook it up, and it's so yummy with your ramen. It is so good, and when you're not feeling well, it like seriously hit the spot. All right, thank you for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye.